Welcome to virtual school. Hello kids, today we are going to learn about animals. Let's start. The first animal is lion. Second one is deer. This animal is goat. This is cow. And next is bear. And next one is camel. This animal is dog. Next animal is fox. And next one is elephant. This animal is donkey. Next one is leopard. And the last one is zebra. Great job, kids. Today we learned about animals. See you next time. Bye bye.